Hello YouTube. Well, this is my first introductory video. Welcome to my channel. Hope you have see some interesting things, and hopefully have fun here. I have a lot of projects on the go. I'm interested in a lot of things. Mostly this channel is probably going to be about automobiles, cars, welding, fixing things, tractors, building stuff, gaming, computers, you name it, pretty much everything. We're gonna basically introductory go through my shop and what I have, projects I'm going on right now, and hopefully I'll, within a few days, upload another video of some of the things I've completed and some things I got done. Just passed into the new year, Christmas, I was able to finally buy a welder, so that'll be my first project I started working on. One of my helmets, snap-on helmet right there, and this little boy is a Hobart Auto Arc 130, and right now just I'm using a flux core .30 wire. It comes with the MIG gas kit, the regulator, everything. Comes with the cart. It was $350, nothing expensive. Comes with the helmet, glove spot separately. One of the projects I have right now, because of the welder, I was finally able to start my tractor. Just getting ready to paint it tonight, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. My brother, Crazy Like Albert, has the same tractor, very similar. Anyway, I believe mine's a 1968. And he has a 1965. Mine had 3 blades, 2 on the side and 1 rear cut. His might have had 1 big in the center. We're not sure. With my brother's tractor, we also have another friend, Daniel Pat. He on YouTube. He has right now a 3-wheeler ATV. He used to have a lawn tractor. We also have a loaner for him to use. We'll hopefully get a video of us all 3 together out going to a trail or mudding or something very soon after mine's done. Mine won't take more than a week or 2 to finish completely, put everything back on. I need to get new tires for the front. Front ones are too small right now. I'll have probably 13-inch tires on the back, car tires, rims, and hopefully 4x8 snowblower tires in the front, same as my brother has, and it should be good. The only thing I have to figure out right now is the clutch, and the clutch will be probably same as my brother's, just a brake leather activated spring-loaded clutch. It'll be the pulley down here and then the motor up here, so you just pull the clutch on the handlebar, well, wherever I place it, pull the clutch, and then it'll pull the cable for the spring, and it'll pull the clutch up and disengage the whole pulley system. So that should be the only thing that I have to do to make it actually run and move. Other than that, everything else is done, and shouldn't be too long before it's all painted and back together. Because he has the same tractor, we already know that it needs transmission braces right here and here. I wanted to still access the grease nipple there and one there, so able to do that. Didn't want to make many modifications to the tractor itself. Wanted it to look stock. Anything I build and fabricate aftermarket or myself is all custom. That way I can use the stock parts if I ever need to. Put it back the way it was. Probably never will. Just something I like to do. So it's basically 75-80% torn down and getting ready for paint, as I said. So all the parts that I've built, some of them already painted. In the next video I'll show you the stock parts compared to the new parts that I made myself, and that way you'll see what I made and what I did, the difference. A good example is this stock handlebar right here. Where you stand on it where you sit on the tractor and you grab the handles. For me and my brother, it's actually bent back too far, so I've custom made right now it's straight, but the black mark here and black mark here, it's going to be bent backwards, or in this case forwards. Go with the other one, it's going to be the other way from sitting the other side. Not straight handlebars, they'll be bent not as much as these handlebars, just probably in the middle here, so not much of a bend to make. But the custom steering rod that I had to weld an L channel across it, reinforce the steering bar. But the only thing that I had to modify the stock tractor itself, other than the transmission braces, I had to build a custom receiver battery tray that just bolts onto the tractor. So it's just bolt on everything, take it off, place it as stock. These are my foot mounts for my feet, and then a custom 3-speed gear pulley for the motor. You're going to paint the bottom of the seat, paint all the parts. Some of them painted once, repaint them again, give them a couple coats. There's parts here for another project, drive shaft, muffler, and cowl pieces for the front end of a 1990 Ranger I'm working on. It's the transmission and transfer case out of it. I had to replace the clutch, so I'll clean that up and put it back in. The clutch is already done. Had to pull the rad and everything in the front. Fenders are all off, brand new brakes. I'm going to replace the rad cradle itself. The old one is rotted, so I'll put a new one in, get that all done, hold it up. There's my motor for the tractor. My brother has the same one. It's just cheap and on sale. Motor cost me just over $300. It's a 13 horse Power Fist. Got new fenders for the truck sitting up there. And that's probably it. Just an introduction for now. Hopefully we'll have some videos, tractoring, mudding. Get some other videos up going sometime. Not sure exactly when. That should be it for now.